Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take an elementary science class for class 4 students. Dear students, our today's topic is chapter 8. Today we will read this chapter and we will also do fill in the blanks of this chapter. Let's see today's topic from here. Our today's topic is chapter 8 and today we will do fill in the blanks. And this is lecture number 8 and our today's HW number is 7 number HW. So dear students, let's begin the class. Look at here, this is chapter 8 and the name of this chapter is the universe. And this is page number 56. And let's see what is written here. Look at the sky. What do you see? We see sun and the clouds in day sky. We see the moon and stars in night sky. Now come to here. What is the moon? What is the moon? The moon is a space object that moves around the earth. The moon is a space object that moves around the sun. It is a large sphere made of rock materials. It does not have its own light. It does not have its own light. When it reflects the sun's light, we can see the moon. From the earth, we can see hills, mountains and valleys on the moon with the telescope. Now moon phases. When we observe the moon in the night sky, the moon's shape looks a little different every night. The moon seems big and round on some nights. On other nights, it looks small and half-rounded shape. The changing shapes of the bright part of the moon that we see are called the phases of the moon. There are 8 phases of the moon. There are 8 phases of the moon. The phases repeat in every 28 days. And look at this picture. This is when no light here. This is new moon. And this phase is called waxing crescent, and this is first quarter, and this is waxing gibbous, and this one is full moon, and here is waning gibbous, and here is last quarter, and this one is waning crescent. Now come to here, this page 58 number page, the solar system. What is the solar system? The solar system is made up of the sun, all the planets and other objects such as asteroids, comets, dust and gas. A planet is a large object in space that moves around the sun. A planet is a large object in space that moves around the sun. A planet does not produce light of its own. Our Earth is one of the planets of solar system. The moon is the only satellite of the Earth. Underline this line. The moon is the only satellite of the Earth. Now, planets in the solar system. There are 8 planets. There are how many planets? 8 planets in the solar system such as Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune in order from closest to farthest from the sun. You can see this picture. Here is sun, this large ball. This one is sun and here is Mercury, then Venus, then Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Now students, come to here, this page 59 number page, the galaxy. When we look at the night sky, we can see not only the moon and planets but also many stars. Observing stars, sometimes we can see like this pattern, and this pattern is called constellation. You can see this is called Orion, this is Great Bear, and this is Pegasus. Students, now come to here 60 number page. Here is stars. A star is a huge ball of burning gases that gives off light, heat and other energy. This is the definition of stars. A star is a huge ball of burning gases that gives off light, heat and other energy. The sun is a star in the solar system. Other stars look much smaller than the sun because they are further away. There are numerous stars in the sky. We observe that stars from pattern in the night sky. A pattern of stars with shapes like an animal, person or object is called constellation. A pattern of stars with shapes like an animal, person or object is called a constellation. Orion is such kind of constellation. Now galaxies. The sun and the planet are part of the solar system. The solar system is part of a large group called galaxy. A galaxy is a huge group of stars and system. A galaxy is a huge group of stars and system. The solar system is located in the Milky Way galaxy. The solar system is located in the Milky Way galaxy. The stars and the planets that you see at night are in the Milky Way galaxy. Milky Way galaxy is spiral shape. Look at this picture. This is Milky Way galaxy. This one is spiral shape. Now universe. No one knows for sure how big the universe is. The universe is made up of everything that exists, including galaxies, stars, planets, space, all matter and energy. There are billions of galaxies in the universe. Scientists believe that the universe is expanding with the time. Now students, we will do fill in the blanks of this chapter. I have written here. One number fill in the blanks is the dash is an object in the solar system that moves around the earth. Answer is moon. The moon is an object in the solar system that moves around the earth. 2 number fill in the blanks. The sun is a dash that has light, heat and other energy of its own. The sun is a star. Answer is star. The sun is a star that has light, heat and other energy of its own. Now 3 number. Our earth is one of the planet in the dash. Our earth is one of the planet in the solar system. Now 4 number. 4 number is here. The dash is made up of everything that exists, including galaxies, stars, planets, space, all matter and energy. Answer is the universe. The universe is made up of everything that exists, including galaxies, stars, planets, space, all matter and energy. Now students, I will give you HW. Our today's HW number is 7 number HW, and your HW will be filling the blanks. Here is total 4 filling the blanks. This is your HW. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your assigned HW in your HW copy. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class.